3.8% taken in the London session this morning. In what started out to be a really slow and stagnant session, nothing was happening, no movement at all. First trade I took a loss on that, small loss, to something that turned into an incredible day. Let's get straight over to the charts and I'll show you exactly how I did it. And please remember to hit subscribe, and if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications as and when I post new videos. Okay, let's get straight over to the charts. Hi and welcome back. It's the 6th of May 2020, 9:14, so we're almost an hour and a quarter into the London Open. Been an extremely slow session, hardly any movement at all on any of the pairs. I took an early trade. I say early, I got into that, I think it was just after the London trade planning session finished with the members of the Price Action Traders Institute. I took the Euro Japanese Yen short. Got in at 0.7, price pulled back and I had to punch out, losing 2 pips. So I'm currently down 2 pips at the moment, and you can see I've taken a re-entry on one of our levels here. Got in this short at 0.0, looking for a continuation of this downside move that's just started to come into play on the Euros and on the pound pairs. And I've got my take profit down there at the 80, so we'll see if it takes that. Not a massive profit, but I'll be happy with that if it hits it. Euro US dollar. Took this short as well as price came through an entry point. Got in at 17 and looking for this to come down to that 0.0. Pound US dollar. Same with this, taking it short. It's just bounced off of that previous day's low. Looking for it to come through that 20 level there down to this 0.0 where the take profit is. And the fourth pair that I'm in is the pound Japanese yen. Looking for this to push down and away from that area where I got in. Through the 0.0 and down towards 80. Where the take profit is on this. So that's it, just 4 pairs I'm holding at the moment, and that's it. I'll pause the video for now, let you know how these play out and see if there's any other pairs that I can take positions on. Okay, I'll pause for now and I'll be back soon. Back with you as we're seeing a run on the Euros and on the pound pairs, and looking at those, that little burst there is going to be enough for me to... Oh, it's taken. Great. Take profit. Euros, I'll take those as well. Fantastic. Now that just goes to show we've had an hour, well, we had an hour and 15 minutes after the London Open, and markets just weren't doing anything at all. They were going sideways, hardly anything. Now we're seeing these big runs, and that's it. So I'm flat the market. What I'll do, I'll pause the video for now and I'll be back in a little while, just to give you the summary sheet and show you the numbers and show you what I managed to take. Back soon. So that was it. That was really unexpected. It was those small moves that I started to see, a little bit of agitation, a little bit of excitement happening in the Euros and the pound pairs, and it was worth taking those breaks. So these are the final results. That's that first trade that I took a stop on. That was the Euro Japanese Yen. Didn't move out of the area that I needed it to, so I punched out losing 2 pips. And then these are the 4 trades where I took those breaks. Pound Japanese Yen 28 pips, pound US dollar 24 pips, Euro US dollar 15 pips, and the Euro Japanese Yen 18 pips, giving me a total of 83 pips for the day, and that works out to 3.8% profit. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll be back again soon with another video. Thanks very much.